Hi, also in this video we are going to discuss the point number uh, 15, configure port security. Okay, configure port security on all the access port. So basically configure port security is only eligible to configure on access port. Why? Because we can expect only minimum MAC address from access port. If we configure on trunk, so suppose if we configure on this interface, there can be multiple MAC address can appear on this link. Via this will appear, this PC MAC address will appear. There would be hundred of MAC address in realistic topology. So where is best? Where is best possible interfaces in this topology where we can configure port security, obviously access port where end user is connected. So in one PC we will connect and then we will host, or we can create a script by configuring on one switch, then we can copy paste that on rest of the switches. So let's go on switch 5. I'm gonna configure port security on gig 0 slash. Hmm. Interface gig 0/0 spanning tree port fast. First, we can run port fast since we know that there is no switches uh, connected to this port. Then spanning tree guard BPDU, spanning tree BPDU. Never. Which means if I receive any VPD packet from this port, I simply block that. Where switch port security. This command will enable port security on this interface. Switch port security. Now we can run the maximum number of MAC address I can learn, or I can define MAC address, source MAC address. But here I am defining maximum. Maximum I will allow only 2 MAC address on this interface. Okay. This is condition. If condition is violated, then what action will be taken? So switch port security violation. If a violation occurred, then simply shut down this port. Okay. So this is all. So this I can copy paste this configuration to all the access port on this topology. Hmm.